In this video I will show you how to replace the side view mirror on 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey Minivans. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the front door on the side of the mirror to be replaced and remove the small cover behind the handle using a small flathead screwdriver or a small hook. Insert the tip of the tool around the perimeter of the cover and pry it outward until it completely releases. 3. Remove the 2 screws securing the door panel using a Phillips head screwdriver. 4. Next, detach the power window switch panel from the door panel using a trim remover. Insert the tip of the tool around the perimeter of the panel at the junction point and pry it upward until it releases. 5. Remove the screw securing the door panel shown on the screen using a Phillips screwdriver. 6. Next, remove the screw securing the door panel located below the armrest or door handle using a Phillips screwdriver. 7. Disconnect the plug from the power window switch by pulling upward on the connector lock with a small flathead screwdriver. Once the lock is released, pull the connector out by hand to disconnect it as shown on the screen. Once disconnected, set the power window switch aside. 8. Next, remove the upper triangular molding from the door using the trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge of the trim at the junction point and pry it outward to release it completely. 9. Detach the door panel using the trim removal tool or a small pry bar. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge of the panel and pry it outward to release it. Once released, hold the panel with your hands and pull it up slightly to release it completely. Once released, carefully place the door panel on the floor. Note, it is not necessary to completely remove the panel or disconnect the electrical plugs from it. 10. Detach the mirror wire loom plastic retainer using a plastic retainer removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool into the base of the retainer and pry it outward to release it. 11. Disconnect the electrical plug from the damaged mirror by pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling outward with your hand to completely disconnect it. 12. Next, loosen the nuts securing the mirror using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Once loose, hold the mirror with one hand and remove the nuts completely with the other hand. 13. Once the nuts are removed, proceed to remove the damaged mirror completely by simply pulling it outward with your hand, ensuring the electrical cable exits freely as shown on the screen. 14. Guide the electrical wire loom of the new mirror through the door slot and set the new mirror in place. Install and tighten the retaining nuts partially by hand. 15. Tighten the nuts firmly to the specifications listed in your owner's manual and proceed to attach the wire loom retainer in its original position. Connect the electrical plug ensuring the connector lock engages properly. Install the door panel in its original position, ensuring the electrical cables for the power window switch are in their proper places. Press inward with your hands around the perimeter of the door panel. 16. Install the screw holding the door panel located behind the power window switch panel and tighten it firmly. Connect the power window switch electrical plug, ensuring that the connector locks properly. Once connected, install the door power window switch in its original position, pressing them inward with your hand, ensuring they fit correctly. Install the upper triangular door molding in its original position, pressing it inward with your hands, ensuring that it fits correctly. 17. Install the remaining screws and covers in their original position in the reverse order in which they were removed, ensuring they fit correctly and that they are tightened properly. That's how simple it is to replace the side view mirror on 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey Minivans.